monitor and adapt. After telling your story, tapos after capturing the exact words of your customers and using them in your marketing, usually, most people, Contessa, alam mo, most people dyan, nag-i-stop na sila. And that is actually parang bitin. Kasi what is crucial is for you to continuously track yung results ng iyong marketing efforts. Hindi lahat ng marketing effort mo papatok. So, titingnan mo kung alin yung pumapatok. There are many analytic tools that you can now use to measure website traffic, social media engagement, and conversion rates. Titingnan mo kung alin doon ang effective, tapos kung hindi naman effective, make adjustments. Now, all this data, this can guide you in refining your marketing strategies para mas matarget mo yung mga taong interesado talaga sa products mo. You can even find out that there are businesses who might buy from you yung o-order ng maramihan na dahil yung kanilang mga customers ay customers na tulad nung ina-attract mo, the individual customers.